Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, looking at SPY on the daily, weekly, and shorter term time frame. So here we are staying within the triangle. Look where the low of the day bounced right off the middle Bollinger Band, right above the uptrend support line, just like we rejected from the downtrend resistance line the past few days to end last week. So this range is going to get tighter and tighter. The volume is tightening, as is the range, and we're going to see a clear break from this pattern by the end of this week, most likely. We'll be looking for a close above the downtrend resistance line for the bulls, or below the uptrend support line for the bears. The weekly time frame right at that 10-week, 215.91. Still some resistance there at that point. But I'm more concerned with the daily and the clear break that we're going to get on this pattern, and it will likely be accompanied with a volume spike. So keeping an eye on the tightening range, we'll see if we keep decreasing the volume and watching very close for that break. So let's look now. 5-minute chart today was a little bit tricky. There wasn't any long-term trend. We knew we were starting bearish, very weak pre-market action. Quick dump the first 20 minutes, then a bounce for a little bit over an hour, then a pullback for a couple hours, then a bounce for 3 hours. So lots of back and forth in terms of direction, and the range today was $1, which is a smaller range than we've seen really the past 4 days or so. So not a ton of opportunity on the 5-minute, but in terms of gauging direction, the hourly was a good guide. And look at the low of the day, bouncing off the 200 period hourly support twice. We pulled back, formed a higher low just above it, and then we got over the exponential resistance. Look at this 8-period exponential resistance. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections from it today before the bulls finally got over it towards the end of the day. Last moving average resistance is 216.01 and dropping this 20 period. And as long as we hold this 200, the bulls are looking good, looking for a bullish MACD cross closing in here, and establishing the higher low pattern and higher high over the past 5 days, keeping up with that pattern. And we'll be looking to head back up towards the 216 area tomorrow, watching the 20-period resistance, watching the downtrend resistance line on the daily that I just showed us. So that level is going to be right above 216.50 tomorrow. So we'll be watching that downtrend resistance line along with the high of 217.12 from Friday. And if we lose this 200 period hourly support, it's a red flag, and we're looking down at the low of the DB dump, the Deutsche Bank dump, down at 214.04 from last week. So lots to be watching. The daily chart is the key, and that tightening pattern will be very clear. I appreciate you watching. We'll certainly check back in. Have a great night.